double ta kale to no tenenya ini ye edo he part police so see no but we makar buera thir part pita ma ko no ke ye no he part le so see bakala so solo agi klolo no I want to come and read about the Saul as Saul his life no pagtan mo la Saul take his life so Saul lu pagtan ma he ne da we anong sa ta mo no pagtan ma ne mo no ba mo no ko le pain now the Palestinian no force against pagtan ma fought against Israel the Israelite flees before them and many feel slain on Mount Gibra. Pane pagitete mala no. Patine tatami maniti mile. Pane pa isila po no. Baina pa isila po dutar. Pane pa plisata po dutar pa isila po no. Do isila pa kanyo hile plisata po menya. Do lohi tibele kese kilabo no kilabolo. Tera na kilabo no. Pane ko wala kese ki. Ai Gilbora, no Gilbora. Pane kilabo no, pane baganya kora kilabo no. Pane peke le kwata mata te pa pe ta te sepo no, ta le da lo pa. La olopa no, pata sepo ke peke le kwa pe no. The Palestinians pressed hard after Saul and his son, and they killed his son Jonathan, no, Abinadab and Melchi Sua. Pane ra pagete mala pama tibera pane pa pelesata po lu tapwa no pane lu tapwa so lu do po kwar pa do pa pelesata po mati so lu po kwa so yunata no pane ra pagete mala so lu po kwa so yunata ne no pa pelesata po mati do so abanada no do pane ra so Kora no abinada no so abinada do so malekisu no awane mati pane no do pay do pake le kwala no pay ni the fighting crews no fierce ground sword and no pake malo one the no archers overtook him they wounded him crushed pake malo Quite collies, no, quite collie. Penny of Bethania sick or the tamata, the pan pain alone, no, peculiar pain on. Not that the thing get away, no, get taught that call so solid no, get out that call so solid wrong. No, Pacata po cabao, do bata se or le Pacata po namalo, no, penny no. Pakadabo kaba or blood or Mamata taco tago bawate no penny pagate madin no. No penny of when I saw self to his armor beer draw. Your sword and ramming through all these no unsuccessious no fellows we can and ram me through above me. Now penny of pagate mala. Devera so solu devera muniti mile so solu seba pas pa asuka wedega boto nanado se ploya le orki no pa tadu bata kutri tapani no kase ploya pa tadu bata kutri pani kase ploya bab kuma no tera pa plisata poma no one kase ploba puyam do matro pa bapuya lo Basado paso suka we de gane no tama ba we ba agidi plita do malo no pa so suka we de gane tama ba no awe plita so solu ama no leta ko da pakra suka mo pe no awe plita do ma do so solu hine na de bini do to lo hi atala apoko lo no so solu no ke sara we no hine na bi do awe to lo po atala apoko mo no pane no pagate mala tahid khaini pha konya ma no pagate ma pain no Beklequa paid sepo, no? No pain, but his army bearers was terrified and would not do it. No, would not do it. Tamavara, no? Puitamala, Pala Akaparga Tamavara. So, saw to his own sword and fell on it. Puitamala, no, I want to not adore the mina a tulaki tapano, a chetilok thalo, permitted with dinner, physical, no? When the armor bearer saw that Saul was dead, he too fell on his sword and died with him. No, pagiten wala. Amoni awati wera le so solo thiblo ne awesi ko ne mathilo tha pane sikolo. No patinya sikolo pane no. Do tu paso suko we te kane ti we ti le so solo thili do awera to lo hi athala anadabi apo kone sikolo thiwe da thiwe sikolo thiwe do olo no awane pa ta ga le pute te mala atapoya to ba no atapoya do ba do mimate no amma pute ma sota we me po la aproso no basana ki do awe te ewera ba huma thiwe no pute no mala ta do proso no ko ta ne awe ma ta le anoko te ba ma no awe ta kwe ko we sikota tit pan no hi no uh hi, thank you so much, my friends. No, no, pero pekele kwa le no huni deba pom ni. So Saul and his 3 sons and his armor's bear and all his men died together the same day. No, but the vera kele kese panero so Saul lura apokwa thega. No, but then do Kuala ula akapa no pa do pa soe dorga do pukiter mana do pa nyo kele kasi thikudo panela no pukiter ma the same day tani kholo no pane pukiter mana tani kholo no when the Israelites along the valleys and those across the Jordan saw that the Israelites army has filled and that Saul and his son has died. No, pretend my pen up Isla for Hivenimano. Hivera Jordan, Ticlunamano. Pretete my dinamano. No, Pedro, Pretete Mala, no. Panero, no. They abandoned their town and field, and the Palestine came and no occupied them. No, Panero pa Palestine. No, pa Palestine pane pe member tene no awete pa gi suba su sikolo no patinya sikodene do pene do to nu su no do to Israel apa kanyola uwele kesem no pa Israel apa kanyola uwele kesem no kasuwa bako do ule yadi wa bako pane tiwele Israel apa kanyo khiwe do le so solu no so solu pokar pati te lini do no le da we the pado Hitoquilo, do papilista po he, uwesu well apulo, panino, away live that women or whether he, no papilista pony he, uwera whip panimono. Pagate my dinner. Not the next day, the pagate my love, come sitting in, not then. When the Palestine came to strike the dead, no, they found Saul and his 3 sons, now fallen on Mount, no, Gilboa. No, panera pokitena mala, no, a tivera la so solumano, papilista poder pan a hemma ploma sequimano, pokitenma, that is so erotive dinimano, pokite dinilano. No musera the nene, 2 papilista po he, no big we pati a cutudo, no tamma a thala, a tine so soludo poqua thegalo. No thega, lochi wella caseki labua, no caseki labu. Alulo, no penny, no, a tini without no. Get me dinero, pekele quale, tati the piecicolo, no. Penny no equinity where they cut off his head and stripped it off his armor, no, put my armor, and they sent messages not throughout the land of the Palestine to proclaim the new in the temple of their idols and among their people no pane pukite mala aware wepa plaro wada do plaro wada monta mata te the pa no pane tera dot te qui a code or billo qui ata no pukite mala billo qui at the who do mer paleso we were la papeli sata po kopu ditu akasita telo dala ata ho the pa a hipu do le pogomu the pa claro ata ho the pa hipu le pogomu the pa cla na awen no pa isra po ata badu batine first king no awen first king no le Israel first king no patinya pane no painted the pour his armor in the temple of the Astros and fastened his body to the wall of Belshazzar. Panina Putin, what part of a pen? Penny, David do power at the holler, not as he grew a hipu do set top, not a soup le bit the sea away could do law, but pananya so solo that fever, no? Solo that is not good there, not penny no? Solo that in your no? When the people are not GSP, not penny or Gilead, hears up what the police there has done to Saul, no penny. Where they did penny, they without paying, no? But gentlemen, no? Do pay do David learn no eat sit no do do pap do pahabekila apona hudala papilesa po maba so soludo no patumukele gesitevelo no maba so soludo patumukele gesite no do panero all theirs no violence man John panero putinyala Jonias through the night to Belshazzar. Now they took down the body of Saul and his son from the wall of Belshazzar and went to Jabez, where they burned them. Then they took their bones and burned them under the tamarisk tree as Jabez, and they fasted. They fasted 7 days. Penino, what power nuini no, pagden ma penino. Payro pagden ma la no so solu, but the mukele setter or leta thought nakler, do hine so solu so, do a poquata pa sola, be the sit away could do, do have a suya be do. Pagden ma ku to on it, do hine he, do kulok we all la, fit tea apola la, yabi do pagden ma duta on nuini no, or what they be like, pane duta on nuini no, pa. I want to so solo tamu no, but the nyoma double little collected, no. So dying is very terrible thing, no. I want to pabatinya so solo tati, no. Pagkatete mala pamamit tiba la pura la pucak rokla ne gira khon pia no pamit ura la pucak rokla wa lu da kiro ta bi the bu aro no ta ku ta ko ba pa aro no we brought a pain ni ta wi de ba no pagkatete ma so da we na hu le awe si no David hear of Saul's death no pane pagkatete so da we si no so solo na hu le so da we si no so that we not who is a solid theme, sorry, no. After the death of Saul, no, we run it. But it's a solid theory a lot key though. David returned from defeating the Amalekite and staying in Ziklag today. No, pane pagkatete mala. So solid theory a lot skinny so that we need pagkatete mala, no. Tamatala soda we heki dakila akam no amati pa no amalipo so pane do soda we uti wela no si la kini pane no kora sisa la kini pane over kini mano sisa la over kini pane no zikala no zikala ne kin today personal ke ne phai ne ko ra kini no today ne kini mo no no phai do on the Thursday a man arose from Saul came with hands close towards and with darks on his head. When he came to David, he fell to the ground to pay him honor. Hita yopa kele sodawi amenyama no waki blana we hita yopa kele. No thani tani ne kwa tama athala pwaraga hele sosolu apwa thumu akla odo no asiya kwi do hoku akamu le aku do hewesu sodawi o do tama athala atulo po athala hoku do tolo we lo no tulo po we da tolo we no no pani do pekele kwa le paini no where have you come from pani tati kwa no David asked him no pana pani do sodawi ni tikwa no nehepele no Panero Pogitema he answered the officer I has escaped from the Israelite camp. No Pogitema no. Awani no Pogitema no. Paini Tevada dile no. Paini Tevada Dosada Wisiba on Nehelele Dosiba on Yapu plele Israel apatumu a clalo Yapu plele Israel apatumu a cla no. What happened? David asked, tell me. No, pagita tama tadile. No, panira soda wisi tikwa wada debaya. He said, no, away David amano. He said, away David amano. The man flees from the belter. No, better. Many of them fell and died. And Saul and his son Jonathan are dead. No, penny David Devada pain manutimi no Devada pain no so that way no siba or tamata dile siba layarki dosi seweda pagamu no pane tera no pagamu no lila tade tubu no pagamu lila tade tubu no pagamu lila tade bu no hallelujah no do pani do pakete mala no tade tubu ma no khilile tade tubu do pagamu aga lohi siko do tili do sosolu pokwa so nata ti siko lo no pani sosolu pokwa so nata no highs no do pani do pathinya lo sosolu pokwa so nata ne thiwe siko pani no no pekle kwalo no bijeni paini tebra la dan no panero then David said to the young man who brought him the report how do you know that Saul and his son Jonathan are dead no pekle mala teba wara la tamata tidphani so when the soda with Siba put that quality Siba on it, so solid of Pukwas on that titiline, Nethinya dile, no, so solid so nata titiline and Thinya or dile, no, I don't David dinner, no. No paid up a quale no huni, David Amano. I happened to beat on Mount Gilboa, the young man said, and there was Saul. No, landed on his spears with the chariots and riders almost upon him. No, penny Devra or not to Jaquata su a locky, no penny. No, Paputa quala siba or siweda, poala ye ula, no Kasaki labu, do quaqua so solu, not a ne a thala a bolo, do quaqua likahado, cathedral part. Lose the poor or no liquor hard of this upon and lose the poor no no panini but memate le tamata sit upon a sick or dinner when he returned around and saw me no he called out to me and I said why can I do no penny no away no wetia no away Penny or Pagate ma delay, no? Penny, Pagalequala no in unity, dot to a quarter su a lot key dot Tibaya dot Conea dot Yesi Seta, Quaquayalo, no Penny, Yesi Seta, Quaquayalo, no? Dot Penny dot Tibada, he asked me, dot away, no, where Tiquaya, no? Away Sibaya, who are you? No, Nani Maragale, no? And a Malikit, no, a Malikit's answer, no? Paniro, whatever, no, Yemi, a Malipu de Galo, no, a Malipu de Galo, no, Siva, no, Sibakadoya, no, Panino. No, what's his silver, no, Penny, Sisera. Then he said to me, stand over me and kill me. I am in the thrones of death, but I am stay alive, no? Paniro Tebawara, no, ye, Queenie Tevada, no, pay certain legelu, do Mathiarki, Agidi, Taco Tago, Bayan Namalo, Agidi, Yetado, Odile, Yepulo, Taco Tago, Bayamano, Yetado, plan, Odile, Yepu, Devramano. No penny to see it, Devra, so I strode over him and killed him, because I knew that after he has fallen, he could not survive it. No? And I took the crown that was on his head and he burned on his arm and have brought them here to my lords. No, penitera, no. Paragani, so solu the agri clue, Pethinia, Basana get over head and daily delora, no. No, just settle a load or Yamathiolo, a giddy Yathinia, the pactilla, a moodilla, a lot keeney, the thebado, Yeshini, a cotalula, a ola, a codo, cheap ola, a sulo, do no Yehesu or su, Yakasa, pay lo, no, what did I yesu or su Yakasa pay lo, no? No Pedro to sit down the David and all the men with his took hold of their clothes and tore them. No, but Pedro Malo pay no so that we pour as a good atudo no pour do pacanyo udo or kill mawe dinitulo. No, when pour do mawe dinitum, no, pacanyo kill and mawe dinitum, no, Devra, they mourns and weep and fasted till the evening of Saul and his son Jonathan, and for the armies of the Lord and the house of Israel, because they have fallen by the sword. No, when it tamata the parlor taletaki siko, the taki taklo, no, penny David, no. Do delo athana pua mano pagitera mala awe delo we athana pua mano hani peti thinya sikolo tamata no awe delo athana pua ro ho we do duta o tu lo lo mu hala so solo ho do le soyunata ho no so solo ho do soyunata ho mano awe du o ta o phani mano do pagitera ma dile mano pay do pagitera mala dollar jua apagomu ho dollar israel apahipo holo agidi e lohi wele nano padiduni no so solu ho apokwa ho do pa isila ho no hipokopo ho do pa lohi weda ho no pa kelekase pa we penimo no do pay do pakale kwalo the sutani that David said to the young man who brought him the report, no, where are you from? I am the son of no an alien, no, and a Malekite. He ne patamui de galo aliens ne patamui de galo no pagite mane. No so na we siba pa puta kwale a siba o no ulele do si seweda yemi par khoba mumpu do pomupu a pokwa pa a amali pulo no pa amali pu no pargane no awe he soda panimo no panino David asked him no panino putin mala the sister mono pani David asked him Why are you not afraid to lift your hand to destroy the Lord's anointed? No, pagidana anointed penny no. Pagidana mala soda with siba or ne you ton the su no. Dear to nakama hago you are pado putane. Net the pliba no pama hago you are do putane mean that tapita put me no. Let an kudara pa you are do putane but baloma hago when he petete my dinner no. So that we know the wet about dinner no. The pliba. Then David called one of his men and said, go strike him down. So he struck him down and he died. No? Now, penny of Pagate Mala, so that we could papu takwa, the pa a glad of Siba. Tubonata clock we orki, the clock we went to a tilo. No penny clock we went to a theme. No, but thing is, sick or let that in a panny. No. Pay off Pekale Qualo no you to see who not the body. For David has said to him, your blood be on your own head, your own mouth testify against you. Once you said, I killing the Lord's anointed. No, Pagitana Penny no. Deba without dinner, no. Penny Debra dosora with Siba or net 3 ulla nakodanelo. Agiri netako uatha todana. Dosi where. Yamathically, you are upward do put thali, no panic yamathically, you are a do put thali, no game. Because Sukumutale tatit pile betamupulo, no Paniro, Pathinia, Sicolo, Dama, tatit pa, lebetamupu sicolo, no. Okay, my friends and my brother today, okay. Saul, his 3 sons, dying, no. Okay, finance with Palestine. We understand about this meaning. Okay, the soul is the God never living with him because the God throw away ready. Okay. Robert Thinya Sikol so soluni no kasaywa taparo le sopaloba kasaywa tegwi oli litan ko dara aware krele patu patale tamu puno kasaywa tegwi leader ba manu ko le aware ke e do podi ta sopadile kasaywa te loba oloba do aware ba manu le aware ke e do ke sopadile no awane petana pa okay. You should know about that. Okay, the God don't want you anymore in the king. Okay, but why you want to stay? You want to stay live in. Okay, for the king. Okay, remember this, my friends and my brother, sister. Okay, the God chosen new one, new person, new heart. Okay, the God throw away just like rabbit. Okay, that God don't want you. You don't listen to God. This means that God don't want you. Okay, and then throw it, not throw it. Let them hutara a wet tick women. Apa sycamore tapir pile of Tamopulamo. Okay, come sit in the maro peke chilotalo, but Tamopumano. I will see you next day. Okay, next tomorrow. Thank you so much, my friend and my brother and sister. God bless you all. No, got it. Do you want to read about this? I write it down in my channel, YouTube channel under. Okay, you can look there. Okay, first Samuel 31. Okay, and then Second Samuel. Okay, Second Samuel. First chapter 1 to 16. Okay, chapter 1 to 16. Pagkita mata semuanya seru tersitu, no. Pagkita madin mana, pagkita daulah kismulah seru ter sebutan dulu sinui ni over penisikolo, no. Japalan itu pane, tiki pakwa, no tamata feeling by yourself. Okay. As I talk about the Saul already about the okay. Okay, Saul is go to the witch, no witch idol. We see about the what happened. Saul afraid. Okay, Saul is he never get any other vision from God. Okay, prophets, okay, dream, and then the God never answer you, no, the God never answer, and Saul. Okay, remember this, my friend and my brother. The God don't want you, leave you alone. Okay, remember that God never stay with you. No, they don't say me too na ba do na mara tino me ba no. When in Matinya lentamu no. Kasaya me bata pa nyola gara ka hutero we do ka paro we no. Leta no kura pay tani nyai bakalo so solo ta fi do so da we na huwe ni na when me ta de mi le ta mata le so solo do so da we. Bagter mala a bush no so da we so solo humati no we know about that game. Saul is trying killing to the David, trying to kill David, but David is good heart. David has good heart. David honors about them. Okay, Israel king, the God anointed. This means. Now, when it begins, like saya pahawa mano, leta no kota rani patelo mara leta tadi kita bawa ni mano. Bakropatu patalo patamu pusikolo no. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye. God bless you all. No, moya sui kitu ko gade